Welcome back to the channel. This is episode number 1 of our series 15 AI tools that will help you to make money. In this video, I will show you the 10 AI tools that will help you for freelancing and content creation. Let us start. ChatGPT is one of the best AI tools to start earning money online. You can use it to write blog posts, YouTube script, emails, social media caption, etc. Most of the freelancers use ChatGPT to offer content writing and virtual assistant service. You can also use it to generate business ideas, product description, and customer replies. If you are a beginner, don't know where to start, I personally prefer ChatGPT is the best perfect for AI tools. The second one is Copy.ai is designed for marketing and sales content. It helps you to create ad copies, email campaigns, landing page, and product description. Business always need a good copy to sell their product. You can use Copy.ai to offer copywriting service of Fiverr or Upwork platform. The third one is Jasper AI. It's a premium AI tool used by agencies and professionals. It is used for SEO blogs, long form article, and brand content. If you want high paying international clients, Jasper is a strong choice. The fourth one is Leonardo AI. It's a popular for illustration, game asset, and creative design. It is widely used by designers. You can sell artwork, icons, and design for clients. This tool is perfect if you love creativity and design. The fifth one is Shopify Magic. It helps e-commerce sellers to write product description and marketing content. You can offer service like product listing optimization. Many online store owners don't know how to write good description for their product, so this tool solves that problem. The sixth one is stockimage.ai. It generates stock photos, posters, logos, and illustrations. You can sell these images on stock website or directly to the clients. This is a smartest way to build passive income using AI tools. And the seventh one is 11 Labs. Create a realistic AI voiceover. You can earn money by providing voiceover for YouTube videos, ads, reels, and audiobooks. No microphone or studio needed. This tool is perfect for faceless content creator. The eighth one is AdCreative.ai. AdCreative.ai automatically generates high converting ads. You can create Facebook, Instagram, and Google ads in minutes. Business pays a lot for ads that convert. You can earn money by offering ad creation service to small brands, startups. Murph AI helps you to create professional voiceover like business voiceover for presentation and turning videos. You can sell voiceover service easily using these tools. And the last one is in-video AI. Helps you to create video from scripts automatically. You can create marketing videos, YouTube videos, social media ads. There are a lot of YouTubers channels are still using this wonderful tool for creating a video. So here I mentioned 10 popular AI tools for generating a revenue. These are the 10 tools for today. In the next episode, I will share 10 more AI tools that can help you to earn money. Thank you.